The Canadian Women's Foundation is Canada's public foundation for gender equality and justice. Our work focuses on economic empowerment, ending gender-based violence, and empowering young people and supporting them.
When survivors of violence are trying to rebuild their lives, there's so many challenges that can get in their way. But that's why we're investing in programs that are led by and for women that have similar experiences. Anyone that's experienced violence doesn't have to be alone as they rebuild.
You're creating the safety, the dignity, and the equality so that women, girls, and gender diverse people can thrive.
We have survivors describing a sense of feeling safe, belonging amongst peers. A sense of community, that's what safety looks like. Somewhere where you can feel that your voice matters. We've made incredible amounts of progress. Over 3 generations of anti-violence workers have made big systems changes. But at its core, progress means one person that doesn't fear for their life. Visit our website, canadianwomen.org, to learn more and to give.